Today we will learn how to apply pattern over a t-shirt. So let's get started. First of all, I just take the copy of my original layer, press Ctrl J to take the copy, then choose quick selection tool and make a selection of t-shirt. Make a selection like this. You can add the selection, the area you want to remove. You can subtract it from your selection like this. Sometimes you just have to add the selection, so select it carefully. Okay, it's done. Then add a mask over the selection. Then embed a pattern over here. I save it to the desktop. This is a pattern. Place it. Adjust the pattern like this. Then just check it. Make the blending mode multiply. And clip this image into the selection. Then you can adjust the pattern. And it's done.